The Bamboo Look Barbecue Gazebo was sold at Big Lots, Target, and other retailers. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ238PST-11. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8 by 5 and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round bamboo metal frame posts, bar table on one side of the gazebo, arched bars with vertical poles around top perimeter of frame. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Bamboo Look Barbecue Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.